Running a biogas operation isn't always smooth, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can stay ahead of the problems that slow you down. In this video, we're breaking down common issues with biogas mixers and how AER-USA equipment helps you fix them fast. Problem number 1. Crusting on the surface. When crust forms on the digester surface, gas production drops and pressure builds up. The fix? Rio mixers. With its powerful flow and wide reach, it breaks surface tension and keeps your digester clear. No more buildup, no more pressure issues. Problem number 2. Settled solids and poor mixing solids. Settling at the bottom? That's a recipe for uneven digestion and reduced gas yield. Rio keeps those solids in suspension, ensuring bacteria stay active and distributed. Better mixing equals more methane. Problem number 3. Hot and cold zones in the digester. Uneven temperature equals poor bacterial performance. Our mixers are designed to destratify the entire digester, promoting temperature consistency and maximizing biogas output. Problem number 4. Equipment at risk. When water levels drop. If your mixer motor rises into the gas zone, it's not just inefficient, it's dangerous. That's why we recommend pairing mixers with our milliamp rated float switches, which automatically shut down operation when water levels drop too low. Problem number 5. Cable wear and premature failure. Mixer cables take a beating in active digesters. The solution? AER-USA's Cable Saver, a simple add-on that prevents cable strain, reduces wear, and protects your investment. Whether you're fixing an existing system or designing a new one, we have the solutions to keep your biogas operation efficient, safe, and productive. Need help troubleshooting your system? Reach out to our team today. AER-USA is here to support your success.